Breaking. Nnamdi Kanu was actually in court today for his trial as earlier scheduled. He showed up looking like the odogu that he is, He was actually seen, exchanging pleasantries with people. Nnamdi Kanu is someone that commands respect and people respect him a lot. He respects people as well, Now, this is what I do not understand. Please, today's court sitting, was it just for him to meet with a new judge or something? Because please make it make sense to me. How many minutes did the sitting last? All of a sudden, the case has been adjourned again. What is this? I just went to X and on Barrister Lawyer Jimako's handle. I saw that Nnamdi Kanu's case has been adjourned to 29th of April, 2nd and 6th of May 2025. What is this? How many minutes did the sitting last? That's my question. I don't understand. Well, this is what I know. All things work together for our good because we love God. I sincerely was thinking that, they would tell him to go home today. Oh God, please go home. You are free. That was what I was expecting. But it is well. It is well. Let's see what happens. It is well. But I noticed something that he has added another son to his legal counsel. The man's name is Chief Kanu G. Agabi San. Wow, that's amazing. And actually it was 12 members of his legal team that were on ground today to defend him. Odogu is Odogu. And Odogwa brought guy name. What I go? 12 members of his legal team that were on ground. They are okay. Chief Kanu G. Agabi San, Uche Nanjoku San, Aloy Jimako Esquire, PAN Ejofo Esquire, Maxwell Opara Esquire, Patrick Agozie Esquire, Emmanuel Ezugu Esquire, Jude Uguanyi Esquire, Mandela Omeborogo Esquire, Mary Frances Oji Esquire, Ike Nangwangu Esquire, Elon Christian Esquire. Those were the legal team members that were on ground today. Please go ahead and smash the like button. Say something nice. Write something nice about Onyindu in the comments. Smash the like button. Favorite repost.